Morning, students. We are going to start the same topic as geometry, right? In which we have already finished some questions. Now we will start from question number 46, right? So let's start the question number 46. 46, correct? So angle here A, C and B, D. The ratio of angle ACD, angle ACD, and ratio of angle ACD and DCB is given as 2:1. Clear? We have to find the angle DCB. DCB equal to what? So we know that ACB is a straight line. So it forms the angle 180 degree, right? So angle ACD is equal to, we can write as angle ACD equal to 180 minus angle DCB. Clear? Angle DCB. Next, we will put the value of angle ACD in this ratio and angle ACD and 180 degree minus angle DCB by angle DCB equal to 2/1. By cross multiplication, we will find that 180 minus angle DCB is equal to 2 times of angle DCB. Clear? After transposition, 180 is equal to 2 angle DCB plus angle DCB. 180 is equal to 3 times of angle DCB. Therefore, angle DCB is equal to 60 degree. Okay? So hence angle DCB is equal to 360. We can write angle DCB is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Next question number 47. Is it clear? Very good. Question number 47. It says that in an isosceles right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, in which we know that two sides of isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. So the figure is given as P, Q and R. Here angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Clear? And side PQ is equal to QR, because it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right? So angle Q plus angle P plus angle R. Angle P is equal to angle R. So, okay, is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So, angle Q is equal to 90 degree, and we can write angle P as angle R, and angle R is also equal to angle R. So, twice of angle R equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle R is equal to 90 by 2, I mean 45 degree. Hence, angle PRQ is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Next one for you, the question number 48. Question number 48, in which two parallel lines given at line PN and line LM. Here, and a transversal line given as line L. Here angle 4A plus 12B and 2A plus 24 degree. Right. So we have LM line LM parallel to line PN and a transversal line and L is a transversal line and L is a transversal line. So we have to find the value of A. So we know that sum of co-interior angles of sum of 4A plus 12 plus 2A plus 24 is equal to 180 degree. Right? Co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So 4A plus 2A is 6A and 24 and plus 20, 12 is equal to 36, equal to 180 degree. So 6A equal to 180 minus 3, 36. So 6A equal to 144 degrees. So therefore XA equal to 144 by 6. And 6 to 6 4 ja. So 24 degree. The value of A will be 24 degree. Okay. Next question. Next question. Question number 49. Question number 49. It says that find the sum of interior angles of 8-sided polygon. Sum of interior angles. Right? We know that the sum of interior angles is equal to, we know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here n is equal to, here n is equal to, here n is equal to 8. So sum of angle will be 8 minus 2 into 100, sum equal to 6 into 180 degree. So it will be 1080 degree. Correct? The sum of octagon is sum of interior angles of a octagon will be 1080 degree. Clear? Next. Question number 50. Question number 50. ABCD is a rhombus in which the length of the diagonals AC and BD are given as 6 cm and 8 cm respectively. Find the perimeter of the rhombus ABCD. So it is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. A, B, C and D is the rhombus, and AC. Length of AC and BD is given as AC is 8 cm and AC is equal to 8 cm and BD is equal to 6 cm. BD is 6 cm and ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus. Correct? Next. So here is angle. Intersecting points of the two diagonals is O. So OC is equal to, the length of OC will be 4 cm and length of OD is equal to 3 cm. This one will be 4 cm and that one will be 3 cm. We know that the intersecting points of two diagonals of a rhombus form right angle. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem to find the DC square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Using Pythagoras, क्या लिखेंगे? Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Using Pythagoras theorem, so DC square is equal to 16 plus 9. DC square equal to 24. Therefore, DC equal to 5 centimeter. So perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus ABCD is equal to, and AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay, so P इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? 4 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 centimeter. I mean 20 centimeter. Okay. 40. One more question. Next Question number 51. 51. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. A, B and C. Angle A is equal to, given angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C. Given. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Angle sum property. So angle A, angle B plus C plus angle B plus C equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle B plus 2 angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle B plus C equal to 180 degree. So angle B plus C equal to 90 degree. So B plus C is equal to 90 degree. So ABC is angle, then prove that triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. So angle B plus angle A equal to plus B equal to 90 degree. So angle B plus C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. So B plus C is 90 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. So angle A equal to 90 degree. I mean it is a right angle triangle. Clear? Angle A is right angle triangle. Okay. So it is the time to say bye bye. Have a nice day.